Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover basics of Applet. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover Applet Basics. Applet is available under java.applet package. I have created class, which extends Applet. Inside paint method, I am setting background color, using setBackground method. Setting font, using setFont method. Setting color, using setColor method. And drawing string, using drawString method. I have created HTML tag with Applet code, width, and height. Compiling the Java code, using javac command. And executing the Java applet, using applet viewer command. In the next program, I am going to cover Lifecycle of Applet. Init method is used to initialize whatever is required for Applet. I have created object for string buffer class and initializing it within init block. Calling the display method, which prints message on terminal. Clears content from string buffer. Appends string to string buffer. And calls repaint method, which invokes paint method. Start method is called automatically after init method. Paint method is invoked after start method or whenever repaint method is called. Stop method is invoked when applet is stopped or applet is minimized. Destroy method is invoked when applet is closed. In the next program, I am going to cover mouse listener. I have created class which extends Applet class and implements mouse listener interface. I have initialized mouse listener inside init method using add mouse listener method. We can check whether mouse is entered using mouse entered method. Whether mouse is pressed using mouse pressed method. Whether mouse is released using mouse release method. Whether mouse is clicked, using mouse clicked method. And whether mouse is exited, using mouse exited method. In the next program, I am going to cover images. I have created object for image. Initialize the image object with image, using getImage method. And displaying the image, using drawImage method. In the next program, I am going to cover basic shapes. We can draw line, using drawLine method, with parameter as coordinates of two ends of line. Draw polyline, using drawPolyline method, with parameter as coordinate array and number of points. Draw rectangle, using drawRect method, and fill rectangle, using fillRect method, with parameter as coordinates of top left corner, width and height. Draw round rectangle, using drawRoundRect method, and fill round rectangle, using fillRoundRect method, with parameter as coordinates of top left corner, width, height, round width and round height. Draw circle or oval, using drawOval method, and fill circle or oval, using filloval method, with parameter as coordinates of top left corner, width and height. Draw arc, using drawArc method, and fill arc, using fillArc method, with parameter as coordinates of top left corner, width, height, start, angle, and arc angle in degrees. Draw polygon, using drawPolygon method, and fill polygon, using fillPolygon method, with parameter as coordinate array and number of points. In the next program, I am going to cover basic animation. I have created object for string and string buffer. initialize the values inside Init method, animating text using for loop, and shape using another for loop, and repeating the animation using repaint method. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on Java Program Interview Questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon, so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.